Good morning. I'm back. Monday morning, 10 o'clock, after the big blizzard of 2016. I'm on 30 here, and I'm turning left onto Viaduct Avenue. We're going to check out Johnsontown and see how things are there. If you listen to the other video or watch the other video, you'll know that William and Mary Street are just impassable, have not been touched by a plow. Part of the reason for that, at least several people who ignored the stay in your house warnings from Friday, Saturday, got stuck. And when there's a stuck vehicle there that can't go anywhere and then is subsequently temporarily abandoned, the plow people can't get out there and do their job. Coming down Viaduct Avenue here and turning left onto Bradford Avenue, and no cars parked along Bradford, which is a good thing, and I would say that it's about as passable as it ever is. So good job here. Good job to the residents of Johnsontown for getting their cars off the road so the streets department can get in here and do their work. Heading up Church Street, it looks beautiful. It's great. Again, you don't see any cars on the side of the road. If you go out there and try and shovel out a parking spot for yourself, just be careful. That snow is extremely heavy. There have been several deaths in the Pennsylvania area attributable to people shoveling who should not have been shoveling. Tragically, an 18-year-old girl who was 8 months pregnant passed away. She had a heart condition as well as being pregnant, and she came in from shoveling and collapsed on her kitchen floor yesterday, and unfortunately died, her and her baby. So please make sure you're up for it. Take plenty of breaks. Okay, I'm at the end of Church Street here, and I've encountered no problems. And I'm just going to go down Viaduct Avenue. Just to point out that this is not a handheld video camera. This is a dash-mounted camera. So my hands are both on the wheel. So don't yell at me for videotaping while I'm driving. I'm just sitting here talking to you and driving now. I'm not sure what this guy is doing. It looks like he's just trying to get out of his driveway. Or get in, maybe. I'm not really sure. Coming down Prospect Avenue here. This dig out is going to continue throughout the week. Unfortunately, we've got some temperatures coming up in the 40-degree range, which will definitely help in our endeavors to dig ourselves out of this historic storm. Watch out, especially for cars and or children. Remember, kids are off school today. There's a lot more obstructions of vision because of the snow piles than there normally are. So just really be careful if you have to go out today. And if you can stay in, all the better. I'm turning right here onto Bradford Avenue. It's a mixture of wet road and packed snow here. Another suggestion is, if you really need to get out today and stretch your legs and do some walking around, I was just in Exton a little while ago, and the Exton Mall parking lot is very well plowed. I'm sure you'll find an easy parking spot and go in there, and it's pretty much the same in there as it is in June. So might want to suggest that. Here I am on Bradford Avenue. It is it's packed snow. It's slick. Would want to be really careful. It's a long fall down there. You don't want to end up driving down into our sewage treatment plant to the left here. FedEx is out. I saw UPS out earlier. Saw some mail delivery today. Life is trying to get back to normal, so we'll see. Here we are coming up. You can see Trestle Bridge up in the distance there, and coming up on this S curve. Definitely want to be taking it easy and slowing down. And I'm coming down to Route 322. I'm going to turn left here and head back into town. Traffic seems to be a little light today. Apparently a lot of other people are still either willingly or just unable to get out. I see the nets that were put up there on Trestle Bridge to catch falling debris from the bridge as it slowly decays are all full of snow. Okay. Route 322 is right now very passable, just wet. Temperature right now is, I believe it's over 32 degrees. And I'm going to end this video right now and probably make one more video as I go back in town here. So I'm going to end this one right now. Thank you for watching this.